Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in PrizePicks. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your PrizePicks account, and you can either click on this plus icon right here next to your balance to deposit, or you could just come here to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and then click here and deposit it as well from the menu. And then all you need to do is add funds. So first you need to choose your payment method. So it's either you add using a credit or debit card, you use online banking, you can use PayPal, you can use Venmo, you can use Apple Pay. Just select the applicable option for you, and then let's say credit or debit card or Apple Pay, right? You can choose that as well. I've chosen right here credit or debit card. You can enter your deposit amount. You enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, your zip code, and deposit that amount. And you can even use Apple Pay as well if you have that saved. Very easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.